Okay, take a look at this. Notice anything missing? No power outlets, no messy cords running through the grass, nothing. This is the brand new cordless laser from Raymoto.
Alright, let's get into the box and see what we're actually working with.
First of all, the packaging is so neat and it actually comes with this amazing little carrying case. It's perfect if you want to take your projects outside or if you have some outdoor event. You get the charging cable and these handles. Now these are the real stars because they are basically power banks for the laser. Just look at this color! I had no idea it was going to be this bright red. Wow, I am honestly obsessed. So it's pretty clear that these battery handles mean we don't have to stay stuck indoors. Now we need to talk about the software. I'm setting up the official Raymoto app on my iPad. Because honestly, having a bigger screen just makes designing so much easier. The app is actually so easy to navigate. Everything makes total sense, and the best part, the material settings are already built right in. So no guesswork for different surfaces. I decided to start with something small and super simple.
Since we all know lasers make a ton of smoke, I'm packing everything and heading outside for the real test.
Alright, time to see if this thing actually works. Setting everything up is super simple. You just snap it together and it's ready to go. So let's test this whole setup out in nature with some random wood leftovers I had lying around. Well, looks like the first test didn't turn out quite right. Which is exactly why you always want to do a trial run before messing up the real thing. The text looks good. But for the rest of the details, I definitely need to tweak the settings a bit. Okay, the second try actually came out great. So now let's test these exact same settings on a totally different piece of wood to see if it behaves the same way. And look at that, it actually turned out even better. Now let's try something a bit more complicated and see if this thing can actually handle it. I have to say that I'm impressed. So what do you guys think? Especially knowing it's running completely wireless out here. The app is actually crazy helpful too. You can tweak everything right on your screen, like making photos lighter or darker, depending on your material. And this thing is just a bit heavier than a hairdryer. Plus, they have all these ready-to-go settings built right in for pretty much everything from wood to acrylic, so you don't even have to guess the numbers. Wood is still my absolute favorite. Since the wood test went so well, I wanted to push this further and try some other materials. I found this old bamboo phone stand and a cork placement lying around. Instead of guessing the speed and the power, I'm just using the ready-to-go presets directly in the app. So, the bamboo text still needs some work, but the cork turned out absolutely perfect. Since this thing can engrave metal cans, I figured why not try it out on a regular jar lid using the same settings. And honestly, I think this might be my second favorite material now. It looks incredibly clean. Okay, we know it works on pretty much any material, but what about a vertical surface? Before engraving vertically, there's one quick trick. You actually have to flip the design completely upside down in the app first. Wait, look at this! I just found out it has a spacing feature that shows you exactly where the design will go before you even start. How did I not notice this before? And look at that, the engraving came out so clean.
I honestly think this cordless design is such a game changer. The fact that you don't have to worry about the cable means you can literally take it anywhere. Imagine bringing this to the birthday party, backyard hangout, or even a wedding. Make custom keepsake gifts for everyone right in the spot. It's a great way to create the memories.